Hello my dear friends, Fuse Service here, and my name is Adam. This video I would like to share with you my experience with this wonderful amazing piece of technology which is called just thermostat, I think, for you. But this is kind of the special piece of mirror, because what it does, it shows the current temperature, and I can change the heating, cooling. I don't know what is it, but we're gonna find out right now. I have some settings here, but the main thing, I can change the temperature. So this is kind of the box of this wonderful device, and everybody knows what in the market exists. A few the other thermostat which called Nest and Ecobee, the most popular ones. And as well, for the ductless mini splits, we have such of the infrared remotes, and people find quite comfortable to use them. But these such of things doesn't have remote application to control your air conditioning ductless mini split systems like these units front of me, like Mitsubishi ductless mini split, Cooper and Hunter ductless mini split, or such of the other brands like Daikin, which we love very much. And this thermostat, actually what it does, it is give you opportunity to control your ductless mini split system through your, where's my phone? It's here. I just have installed application which is called Boulder, and I can regulate the temperature, I can regulate the change of the direction of the blowing air from my ductless mini split. So how it works? If I would like to turn on the ductless mini splits from the phone, I can do it remotely. It could be connected to the Alexa, to the Google Assistant. Maybe you can add it to the Siri as well, I don't know. So you can find out yourself. But the thing is, it's kind of the same as a Nest or Ecobee. So I can press this button, for example. Let me try to do it. Hold it, and it's go turn on. And as you can see, my Mitsubishi, oh, it was on before actually. Right now it's turned on. It's starting to blow cool air and try to go my room temperature to 68 Fahrenheit. This moment I have another thermostat set it up on my application, and it works quite amazing, because for example, if I go somewhere to the place like Tahoe, and right now I am in San Jose, and I will absolutely forget about what my ductless mini split still running in my house and wasting a lot of energy which I'm paying for from out of my pocket. And I cannot put it just this wonderful remote to my pocket and go somewhere places, because this thing should work just in direct visual communication with this ductless mini split. This why Boulder Klima will help you. Someone from you guys gonna tell, but Adam, but we can install Mitsubishi Kuma Cloud, this wonderful system which is connecting to any kind of I don't know, Mitsubishi systems, and you will be able to adjust the temperature and or turn on, turn off your Mitsubishi system remotely as well through the application, but another one. I would say yes, but let's say this piece of technology cost you $250 or like $300 for each unit like this. I can install the same modules to this ductless mini split, but it's gonna cost me as a customer $250 to $300. This thing gonna cost you just $116 with promo code from the website. And why I'm telling this? So what kind of the cases you can use, as I said, if you go to such of the places from your existing house for the vacation. Maybe you wanna work in your office half day, and this time the air conditioner shouldn't running the whole time and waste your energy. So you can remotely turn it on, turn it off, and because this thermostat does have sense of your geolocation, when you leave the house, this application sense what you leave the house, and it will turn off the air conditioner by itself, like $250 thermostat does as well, or like this one. I'm not sure about this one, but this guy does it very well. And this guy doesn't work with ductless mini split. This guy work such of the system like this, like old style furnace or maybe heat pump, which is work fine, absolutely great. But if we talk about zones, if we're talking about such of the quickest way to cool down or heat it up your room, it works just amazing. If you have kind of incomes like Airbnb and few days of the week your short-term rental doesn't have customers, you can just turn off your AC remotely as well if you have such of this ductless mini split installed in your property. So please leave your comment below if you would like to install with fuse such of the thermostats, or you can go just to boulder.com and order that thermostat yourself, or we can help to give you for the better price these thermostats instead what you're exactly seeing on the official website. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.